Why is this not starting? Wait. Ah. Okay, that didn't work. Maybe this one. Okay. Hello, Alfie. Okay, I did see your messages. Yeah, I was doing some. I added a text channel in Discord called Stream Updates. So if it gets delayed, the how many viewers are there? So I'll just receive a message. I set on a timer like every 5 minutes to see how many people are there. But I'm not sure about it. I was thinking of taking it off. I think it's unnecessary. There we go. Hello. Running. Learn how to customize the bot. Stream. Yes. Forget. I said something on Stream Elements, and I still haven't used that either. I'm trying to see what else I could set up. Okay, I can see some stuff aren't working. The status is not working for the YouTube chat. Maybe I put something wrong. The time is working, not the status. That's alright. I guess I'll just keep checking. Okay, I was gonna do what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I wanted to install built-in drivers on Windows XP. That's what I wanted to do. I forgot how to do it. I need to find virtual floppy drivers. That's what I was gonna do. Parent directory. I think it was this one. Virtual floppy drivers. Huh? Yes, that's what I was thinking of configuring now. Because I usually forget on how it works. But I did make a small guide about it. I basically you install, if you haven't heard about built-in drivers, supposedly those are the fastest drivers to launch Windows, the applications. At least for me, I can see like it's like about a 2 to 5% difference in how fast they are compared to the other drivers. So I will need to reinstall Windows XP again. Because right now I did install it, but I think I installed it with ID. Did I? Yeah, the ID controller. So this was basically the oldest one. So I can't do it from scratch. Well, yeah, I gotta do it from scratch. That's the only difference. So I gotta delete you. Goodbye. Sorry. Gotta do this again. I found a Windows XP ISO from this site. Internet Archive. There's so many information here. Since I know XP is really old, then I found here an ISO. I do have physically a DVD, a CD of Windows 95, but I have issues with it. I can't set it up. But here you can find the ISO. I don't remember where it was exactly, but it should be like around here. I think it was this one. Wasn't that one? It has to be one of these. I think the one that I got was, I don't think it was this one or an older version. Yeah, purge, destroy. There's so much information in the archive. It's endless. Let's create the. Oh wait, I gotta upload it. Oh yeah, it really is. If you wanna make some customs. Me, I was just trying to browse around because I was like, well, if we have a very fast controller, which would be Build.to, supposedly that's the fastest controller, then can we apply it to XP? And that's where I found out that you can. So basically this Build.to one, this format is literally virtual floppy disk. So you literally have a virtual disk of a floppy disk. That's it. I didn't think that was the name of the format, but that's literally the format. So I can install it. I just gotta remember how to. I gotta download, I gotta add the ISO here. Upload again. Where was it? No, wait, where did I download it? Oh, in documents. Oh, okay. Oh wait, it's in another format. That's gonna suck. Okay, wait. Yeah, well, it literally stands for virtual floppy disk, if I'm not mistaken. VFD. Wait, no. VLT format. Ah, there we go, see? Virtual floppy disk. They really thought of everything. I didn't even know that was a thing until I decided to research for it. Okay, so there's a way to bypass what I need to do. Oh god, this is gonna take some time. Okay, I know what to do. I think I know what to do. I'm gonna add this here. I don't think this might work. Oh no, wait, I have a better idea. I have a better idea. Let's use FileZilla. Yep. Refresh. Oh no, wait, I already have it download. Huh? Okay, so what it's supposed to do, basically, in simple terms, okay, no, wait. Instead of showing on Promax, I'm gonna show you here in Virtual Machine Manager. So if we go to the information, so you can see that this Promax is running on an ID, this controller. So if you don't know what ID is, it's like this really old ID, I think. Huh? I really going to download FileZilla from the store as the package through the terminal. That's true, but I remember I had one here. But I could give it a try. ID controller. It's where is it? Ah, here it go. So if you had like an old mechanical drive, it would have this connector. This is called ID. If you know SATA, then SATA is basically this one, which is the most modern one. That's this little thing, that's the SATA cable. Oh, if I could do that, then yeah, I'll do that. Ah, look at that. That's faster. I don't need this. Siri, how's it going? Okay, yeah, SATA. SATA is mostly the one that is just like the most modern one. So Build.io is supposed to be like faster than in speeds compared to SATA. It's supposed to run everything faster. Huh? Oh yeah, most definitely. Now we have everything for now. But then now I'm trying to figure out how to import that virtual floppy disk. Because the only way that I know how to import it is using Virtual Manager. And where's the, okay, yeah. So here in storage, the bus type. No, wait, not that one. There we go, floppy device. That's it. Here I can just import my floppy, which the one that I just downloaded, and just to install virtual drivers on the Windows XP. But this is the Promax, but that's basically where it is. The storage is just floppy. Like right now, this Promax is running on the ID controller. Like I can make it boot up faster, but I would need to install everything back, and I don't want to do that, at least for now. Actually, don't even need this. Just delete that. Oh yeah, that's right. Would guess so. Never seen it. Yeah, it's really old. I only saw it a few times in the university, but that was a long time ago. Okay. FileZilla. So I want to connect to the Promox. What's the host? 192.168.122.214. Root. The password. The port. Connect. Yeah, save it. Always trust. And there we go. Huh? You wanna tell me you never had actual ID in your cable? Young kids these days, cable managing those was always fun. They're pretty old, man. I'm not saying it's just a history. Like how did it came from having slow ass mechanical drives from chips. Now everything is freaking faster. A chip is M2 dot is just basically the size of a square gum. I don't remember the name of that brand, but something like that. Wait, what? I can do that? I can connect the Promox? My first PC was a Pentium. That would be considered extremely fast for your first PC at that time. Like you literally had a monster at that time. Okay, but wait, this. So well, if I could use Dolphin for that, then yeah, I don't need this. Okay, I never tried that. No, I don't want that. Oh, you mean SSH? Well, true, I could do that, but will it show me the folders? Well, that seems almost the correct timeline, Siri. Keep forgetting the IP. You can secure SFTP2. You can do it all from Dolphin. Okay, I'm gonna give it a try like that. Okay, I'm in the Promox, but no, not in the term, in the search. Oh, you mean in the search bar? Oh, you mean this? Then you get a GUI of the files. What's the IP? Ah, wait, I did something wrong. I think it was. Wait, I remember. I think it was like this. Files. What was the format? Network. Ah, okay. FTPS. I forgot. I'm just slow for this sometimes. Then you get the GUI of the files wrong. Okay, yeah, thank you. I'm still a little bit confused because I keep forgetting. Okay. You can, it's just as simple. I'm gonna try this. Okay. Ah, there we go. That was a pass. Now remember that, I'm gonna forget it. KDE wallet system of the houses. Create a new wallet to. Okay, whatever. I don't need. I don't want to use this now. Yeah. Oh my god. If I forget, I forget. Ah, okay. Oh, sweet. This is even better. Okay, so I am en route. I need to go to here. What was the pad? What was the pad? Oh yeah, okay, so I need to find the... Okay, I don't need this. The Promox pad. I think it was lib. Huh? I literally forgot about that. I really did not remember that Dolphin has that feature. Now more reason for me to like it. Now I just need to do this side by side. And there we go. Okay, that's better for me. Now I just gotta remember the location, the pad. What was the pad of the Promox? Okay, no way. I gotta create the VM first. WinXP, OS, local, no XP, Microsoft. Oh yeah, XP. I almost lost my brain. Ah, wait a second. I could do this easier. Now with this connected. No way. I could just make it into an ISO. No. Okay, never mind. I think I know how to make it work with being connected here. I need to go to no the pad. I don't remember the pad. I'll keep checking. Oh yeah, to everybody that's new to the stream, man, you got any computer problems or issues? Hey, leave a chat, and we'll try to help you. Tell us your problems, and we'll try to collaborate, or find an alternative solution. That always works. Promax BN location. Promax pad location. What was the pad for this? Bar lib is there? Okay. Let's go back. Bar lib. VC. Ah, here we go. Okay, but it's empty, so I gotta make a new one. I'll add that later. Bus needs to be built deal. Let's just make it 20 gigs. Huh? Definitely a lot of views right now. I am seeing it says 16. Oh, now it says 11. But yeah, guys, you got any issues, any problems? Yeah, leave them below. Ouch. Oh, that's right. I didn't pin on the YouTube chat the Discord server so people can join if they're interested. Let me just share that real quick. I need to pin that. Where the hell is it? Invite people. Copy. There we go. It's gonna work, but I'm doing it on promise. It's just gonna take me more time. Where's the? I lost the stream. I can't see it. Doo-doo. Okay, I can see. There we go. Okay. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. It's just gonna take me a little bit of time. Oops, I put something in the wrong way. Okay, there we go. Now let's just install that. Let's actually make XP like a hardcore monster. There, have 6 cores. Memory 10. I'm gonna drain it honestly. That's gonna work. Wait, did this? Yeah, that's what I need to do. There, that part's done. Okay, so it's supposed to create it. Here's the disk. Oh wait. It's in the other area. That's not gonna work. This is the wrong pad. Okay, where is it? Virtual machine pad location, local. What was the one? Local LVM. Okay, yeah. Local LVM pad. Huh? Cosmetic Clubber. Any tips for a Bluetooth gamepad? The USB works, so I just use that, but Bluetooth doesn't work with any of my devices. A gamepad, a controller. Okay, you're trying to use that on where, for example? Okay, that's the pad. Android. Well, it should automatically detect it. Oh, guys, give me 1 second. Okay, okay, sorry about that. Okay, Android would be cool on my phone. Cosmic Clover says. Oh, honestly, are you any tips for Bluetooth? Do you already have a gamepad, or are you just looking like for recommendations right now? Cause to me, almost every single one that's wireless works pretty good. They're just a little bit expensive now, like the Xbox One, the PlayStation 5 one, or you could try like third-party ones, and those are actually cheaper if it's under your budget. It's Easy SMX, Gamer's Choice Model X05. It used to work in Linux, but that stopped working too, but the USB is working. Okay, wait, I want to research that one. I want to see which one you have. Let's see that. ECMS SPC switch. This one, Cosmic Clover. Bugs. Hello. Any way to disable the shortcut to create a new desktop on Windows 11? Pressing Control Windows D creates a new desktop, and sometimes when I'm playing a game I have a fat finger. And Control, yes. Okay. To answer that question, okay. First, Cosmic Lover. By any chance, this controller, like it looks really high def, it looks really good. Does it have like a button to, what's the word that I'm looking for? Like, does it have like a reset button? Maybe the Bluetooth connectivity it's bugged out. I don't know if controllers now have like a button for that. It does have a button? Okay, you said yes, so I would try that and try to see if you can reconnect it. But also another thing that you could do, because this does happen common, is when you're trying to connect a new device and you still haven't removed that one, like I would suggest first removing it and then trying again. But to your question, you wanna like hit the widget from to create alternative desktop. Is that's what you're asking, right? Because that's mostly, if that's what you're asking, then that mostly is found in the settings. So wait, let me, I think I can show you. I'm in Linux right now, but let me just run a virtual machine so I can show you where exactly it is. So I just deleted it. Oh no, wait, let me just run it over here. There's a small hole in the back, could be reset. Let's see if this controller, let's see, does it online, does it have a reset button? Let's see if online does it have. Oh, look at that, a manual button layout, model, plastic, AC, powering on, shortcut. Let's see. Okay, here's the diagram. Type C charging port. Ah, yeah. On the back of it, yep, it's a reset button. Yeah, it literally says there's a reset button. So I would literally try that. Then after you do that, remove the existing one that appears on your computer. Well, in this case, in your phone. Like remove it and then add it again. Now, Bug. Now I'll help you in a minute. Let me just install 11 so I can show you where exactly is that option, because that's actually an option to disable. I don't like to use multiple desktops, but the option is there. It's mostly like a preference. Let me just show you where it is exactly. Yeah, just put this on next. Okay, let's get that 4 cores. Now let's get that 7. No, let's get that maybe 9. No, I'm just gonna wait for that to create itself so I can show you where exactly. Nathan says computer on fire currently. What do? Honestly, I feel that this is becoming a joke already. But on fire, okay. I'm not sure if you're being serious on that part, if it's really on fire or he's just making a joke, but it makes me laugh either way. This is like, I think you're the third person that does this. But I would say the funniest thing, you try turning it on and off again. Or yeah, that's good, Siri. Try blowing, gently blowing on it. That works as well. I swear. I think you're the Nathan. I think you're the third person that does this already. Ah, wait, damn it. Let's go. Don't home. My window has AI. How to fix install install Linux. Okay, don't home. Be be more specific, man. If you're making a joke, well, Siri can handle your jokes. You gotta try harder. Odimis. My GPU has stopped being recognized by Windows. I'm getting error code 43 and green dots appear on the screen even in BIOS and during boot. Any ideas if it's fixable? Something I ask a lot. Good to know. Okay, Odimis, so your GPU, okay. First up, for that, first up, check if it's not your if it's not your cable, your HDMI cable or display port. Like, try switching them out, or try jiggling it, like moving a little bit, and see if just by moving it around, you get starting pixels on the monitor. If it's not the cable, then it might be that your monitor is dying. How can you test if it's the monitor dying? Use connect it to somewhere else. Like if you have a laptop and just connect it there, if you don't see any dots, then that means it's the graphics card, it's dying. But if it's not that, then you're safe. The monitor's dying and you need a new one. Those are my possibility issues for it. Yeah, even Nathan asked it. Yeah, it could be the monitor. Like if it's not the monitor, like check your cables, man. Sometimes some cables will literally just go haywire. They'll start putting pixels crazy, like something like this, like monitor pixel issues. Like that pixel, you'll see something. Well, something like, well, that's close. You can also try, there should be like a little monitor, a test, yeah, pixel test. You could also try to do a pixel test as well. No, not like that. The pixel test. Start a test. And with this, I'll change the screen to see if it's dead or not. It's really useful if you want to check it out. This one says is for LCDs, or let's see. Yeah, this one's just for LCDs. But if you think it's more hardware, wait, I see more something. ODMS. Okay, I'll reconnect the cables and try with my work laptop. Yeah, you can try that if you have another cable. If it's the cable, you're safe, man, because then that means that it was just a cable. You're safe. If it's the monitor, well, you're half safe, but the monitor still works. But here, the most expensive thing is that freaking GPU. If it's not the GPU showing that, you're safe. The other thing that could it also be a fourth option would be graphic driver issues. Like if you're positive, you tested out the monitor, you tested out the cable, you tested out changing cables. Then your last option would be drivers. Like uninstall all your drivers if it's AMD or NVIDIA. You say clean install. Like there's a program that will literally do that for you. Uninstalled. No, wait. Clean uninstalled. Clean uninstall. What was the name of it? True, that's right. 4K monitor. Well, mine's a 1080p, so I'm not that crazy about it like my monitor's dead. But hey, man, 4K. That's also expensive. I forgot about that. Okay. Display driver uninstaller. I think that's the one that I'm looking for. Let's see. I cannot forget about, oh god, going here. If it's an office monitor 1080 59 hertz, I got a second hand, so no problem if it's dead. Hey man, it works. That's the good thing about it. You can see something, you do your work, that's it. No, I don't think it's this one. No, let me see, wait. Is it this one? I can't remember. I gotta see this. Yes, it's this one. Yes. Who said it? I saw it here. Oh god, now I'm seeing too many. I lost my thought. Yes, Done Home. Exactly, you were right. This is the one that I was mentioning. Like this is supposed to cleanly uninstall everything, because sometimes when you uninstall stuff, you'll have some leftover folders. Yeah, it's really expensive, those one OLEDs. Now back to standby. Yes, man, that's the whole point of this stream. Ask any issues that you have. Okay, wait. I'm forgetting about somebody that asked the Windows 11 issue. Okay, bug. Okay, there's bug. Okay, man, I'm just waiting to this to install so I can help you next. Okay, what was your mention? Standby. Hello, I have a problem installing Linux. Every time I attempt to install Linux, it reboots. I have secure boot off, all other necessary BIOS settings set. It throws a network manager error, I think. Don Home, have you seen When YouTube by Chris Titus Tech? No, I haven't. Okay, Stan, for your issue, I want you to try to be a little bit more specific. We do have, later Alfie, we do have a Discord server where you can send screenshots, so I could see it more visually, because I will need to see like the error, to see like what you're doing wrong or what you're missing, because I think you're missing a step and that's why it's failing for you. So let me just I forgot to wait, I haven't put it on this on the chat so you guys can see the Discord server so you can join yourselves if you want to. Okay, this is the server if you guys want to join. I must just pin this. Solution, use Windows instead. Well, yes, that's an alternative solution if you if you have difficulties with Linux. Another thing, Stanball, what Linux distros are trying to install? Huh? Okay, so I think Windows 11 is almost done, so Bob can check out where the issue that he wants to do. Okay, Stan, what it says? Okay, Nathan says, what are the specs of your setup? Oh, you mean my setup? So if you want to see my specs, oops, those are my specs right there. Stambo says the bug is distro independent from what I can tell. I tried installing Soren, Ubuntu, Fedora, KDE Plasma, and a few others. Same error. I'll try and find exactly what error it is. Oh, sweet Don Home, I see that. Well, I'm actually not in the in that. Okay, I see you're in the voice right now, but I'm actually okay. So on the right side, you can see I have a Discord there. So that on the Discord there. So that basically, if I want to invite you guys to that live support chat, is so I can view your screen for the issues that you're having more visually. But for the other ones that you guys can you can chat in there and discuss other stuff. But for the one that was asking me for if you can show the error or issue on the chat on the well if it's a screenshot, just send it on Discord so I can see it so I can do more analysis on it because I think I might know the issue of what you're having, but I'm not 100% sure. I was just not expecting a lot of people to respond at the same time, so I'm just trying to catch up. But still, Don Home or Trouble, I I I thank you for joining. That's great, man. I'm glad you do. Like the main purpose of this stream is to help others with computer issues or problems and try to make, as you can see on the Discord server, I'm trying to keep it updated. I made this recently a few days ago. So I'm trying to have everything there. If you have any guides you want to share, if you want to check my videos out, mostly I try to make straight to the point YouTube computer videos, like straight to the point guides. Like if you see my videos, you can see all my videos about, they're literally all straight to the point, very detailed with everything that you need. But if you have any guides that you want to share or make, put it there in the guides text channel. We also have like the tech support channel. Like if you have any other issues, discuss it between everybody. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm gonna try to run this stream for days. Today is day 5 of the stream. Wait, someone said something? Okay, no, it's not delay, because I had this with Discord connected with a bot, so I'm aware of if I receive a message or not, because sometimes I'm not that aware. Okay, I heard a message. Who said that? Okay, Travel says, can post a few links to useful tools and videos. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, the whole point of this is just to grow this community. Like this is just how-to guides, anything else that you think might be useful for other people, share it. That's the whole point of this stream and this community that I'm trying to build. All computer stuff related. If you have any suggestions for the Discord server, I can make them as well. Any guides, any how-to, anything. Okay, I'm not sure if is Bog with us still. I need to see on the chat. So I don't see him texting or anything. Participants. Oh, he's not in the chat. Oh, okay, I think he left. But that's alright. Maybe he'll come back and I'll have this set up so that he can see it. Okay, this is almost done. Sweet. Now that's extremely helpful, Trouble. Yeah, you can make your own guides or find any guides that you think are really good. I love that. We'll have all guides there. Okay, there we go. Now. Well, if bug comes back. Oh, wait, I don't have internet on this. I think I forgot. I think I put the wrong one. Ah, there we go. Now I have service. Ah, no, but wait, I didn't need it to do that. We could just leave it like that again. That's right, I have the ISO here connected. Let's install this. This should enable the drivers. Yes, please. God, I don't know if I did mention this, but Istanbul, if you do find the issue, man, leave it on the chat. I mean, leave it on the Discord server. That's what I meant. Hey, Andre, what's up, man? Okay, Trouble says I posted 2 really useful tools. What do you got? If your PC is feeling slower, sluggish. Oh, that's really useful. Chris Titus. I'm actually check that myself later to see what's it about, because I don't know much information about that, but that's extremely useful, man. I like that. I like that a lot. Thank you for that, Trouble. That's extremely useful for everybody. Now I wonder if that guy is ever gonna come back. But that's alright. He was asking about, I think it was the issue. Was made by a used tech YouTube. I have a paid copy. You can have through it free. You can have through it free to run the PowerShell version. Oh wow, that's really helpful. Thanks for that, Trouble. I'm pretty sure everybody else here is going to really appreciate that. Cosmic Clubber says, I had to use my Windows to do a firmware update on the gamepad, and it connected with Bluetooth to Windows successfully. Hey, there we go. Okay, so it's working successfully on your Windows. Now tell me, have you tried on the phone? You did mention on the phone it wasn't working. Or you're trying to do that now? Okay, I think this Windows 11, I cannot use this one. I need to use an original one, unmodified. This is the Win 11 tiny build. Yeah, stop it. Yeah, I just like it because it's extremely useful guide. Like it takes up all the crap out of Windows unnecessary things. So it just leaves what you need and that's it. Like the other way that I can make Windows very light is by using this program, NT Light. This literally lets you load an ISO and you can just modify the hell out of everything. Extremely useful program. It's free, but say if you wanted to do this to your live Windows, then you need to pay. But everything else, it's free. Oh, that sounds really interesting. Sounds really interesting, Trouble. I like that. Now I know I have... Where the heck is it? Bentoy, Windows... Okay, here it is. This is a normal copy. That's what I needed. Upload... Huh? Extremely useful Bentoy. Oh wait, what the Cosmic Clover says? It works in Linux too, but I'm not sure if my phone supports it. Man, if it's Linux is you said you had an Android phone, right? If it's Android, that's basically Linux. Like it should work with no issues whatsoever. Wait, what did you say here? Everyone, I install Windows for ISO. I'm even running my tiny version myself. Oh yes, like making your own version is just perfect for the tiny one. Bento is extremely useful. I had tried iBentoy, but I get sometimes issues. I just try to, cause I want to sometimes load up using a PXE server instead of just loading it from an ISO. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but it's still good to have. What is that? Literally, it's probably just the out of date drivers for the controller. Okay, that's a possibility, Trouble. Oh, Brave7XD says, my laptop's Wi-Fi icon keeps vanishing by its own. Even after troubleshooting and updates, my drivers, the problem is still the same. After updating your driver, the problem is still the same. Okay, Brave, so it's disappearing and reappearing. On what operating system are you on? Are you using Linux or Windows? It's like it could be. I have a few possibilities, but I'm gonna need more information. Snappy driver installer. I haven't heard of that one. But okay, so it's okay, Brave. So it's running on Windows. Do you by any chance do you have? Do you know your computer's model number? Okay, it might just be that you're missing drivers. Because you did say you already updated it, but did you update it from the official site or use a third party? It's a possibility, that's what I'm saying. Snappy driver installer. What is this? I haven't actually tried this myself. I don't know about that. I usually don't use wait, what did he say? Try running Snappy drive. I know it picks up the one SOS. I posted the link in Discord. Okay. I'm not sure about that. Usually, I always when it comes to driver issues or whatever, I always go about you doing the what's the word, by going to the manufacturer's page, finding the model of your laptop or desktop, and from there just see what drivers they have. Even if you upgraded, maybe it could be a mismatch. It's a possibility. Even if it says like, okay, it's installed, but then it's not working. Or the other thing is, if it's a Wi-Fi, I updated from Intel's drivers update website. Okay. I used it a few. Okay. Travel says I used it a few times. Normally don't if I don't need to. Okay, gotcha. I see. I did see the links. That's really neat. That's really neat. Okay. So you go from Intel to what else could you do? That's done. Okay, well, the other thing that you could try if you're having that issue would be basically to. Okay, let me just show you how I would try to take it off before doing something else. Let me just start up here a Windows. Actually, I already have here 10 running. Like I would go to device manager. Let me just start this up so I can show you more physically what I mean. Huh? How do I know my laptop model number? Usually if you're running Windows 10 or 11, in the settings, it should tell you your configuration. Cosmet Lover. It worked on my phone. Ah, that's great, man. See, there you go. Now you have all the possibilities. Oh, I'm so happy for that. Okay, so on your laptop, typically on Windows, it should be to know your config, to know what you have. System, and here would be about, and you can see your information. But we will be looking for the model number, or you could try to use as well for more details. You could use CPU-C. This gives you the entire detail of what the bottle is. Diego says it should be in the bottom. Wait, let me test. Huh? Wait, Diego. Oh, wait. Thanks. Yes, that was my next suggestion. Yep, definitely. Thank you, Diego. You can also try to, if it doesn't show here, there's another way. That way would be, if it's 11, this is where it should appear. How often do you stream? Well, I actually started doing it for this specific title. I did try to do some different streams, but I just started this. Like, as you can see, it's day 5, but I'm trying to keep this daily, so it might be in the morning, the afternoon, or maybe at night. I typing so bad today. It happens, man. Type too fast, you forget what you're doing. What's that? Love this idea. How did it come to you? Someone mentioned I should try it, and I decided I'll go for it. Why not? And now today is day 5. Are you on Twitch or just YouTube? I do Twitch, but would love someone to talk and share the tech stuff with. I do have a Twitch channel, but I haven't really used it. Are those birds singing outside yours? Oh no, dude, that Diego, that's nature outside. You can hear everything with this microphone that I have. I'm trying to lower it a little bit. Yes, exactly. But you might see me do this more often. But again, the whole point of the stream, computer issues, computer problems, any issues that you have, we'll try to resolve them. As you, if you see on the right side of the screen, you can see there that I have a Discord running. Like if anybody thinks that they have a physical problem that's like too complicated, then we can join on that channel, and you can share your screen so I can see what you're doing, and that way everybody can see it as well. So that way everybody just collaborates on this. But this way, Boyo13 says, I'm trying to access articles via Google Scholar and I always fail the Cloudflare CAPTCHA. It just loops endlessly. Is this a problem on my end or with the file horrors? Trouble. Am I using a... Okay, Reynaldo says, how much longer are you gonna stream today? I might stream for maybe a few more hours. So far everything's going great. Let's see status. There's supposed to be a site, down detector, if there's been anything. Cloudflare outage report in the last 24 hours. So there have been over, well, this was in the morning, it says, at least from my time zone. So over 11,000 reports. So yeah, it could be that. That's a possible issue. Here. See, there's also here, look at that, in process. Schedule maintenance is currently in process. And this was posted today at 21 UTC. So yeah, there is a possible issue. Yeah, that's probably, I didn't know what Cloudflare was. There you go. A lot of Cloudflare literally just runs domains to make them public. And other stuff, VPNs as well. Well, there you have it, Boyo13. Yeah, sometimes you can already tell what it could be the issue. You just gotta search for it. Sometimes searching just finds the answer, but sometimes it makes you not find the answer. So yeah, possibilities, I guess. Okay, back to this. As a techie, Google your friends 90% of the time. That's a possibility, yeah. Diego, did you do something to your microphone? No, I bought a microphone. No, I just bought one. So now I didn't do anything. I just bought it. Did I say that right? Okay, no problem, Diego. What's your favorite Linux distro? I see you use Linux. Yeah, so right now I'm running Ubuntu, but I would say from all that I have tried, so far it would be Fedora for the time being. But I did try recently, a few days ago. Someone suggested it in the stream, and it was to use open SUSE Tumbleweed. I installed it on live stream a few days ago, and I really like it. But what really made me like it more was the YATS controller, I think it's called. No, I can't remember the name now. Huh? Have you tried Catchy OS? I actually haven't heard about that one. Catchy OS? Catchy OS. Blazingly fast OS based on Arch Linux. Oh, it's based on Arch. Huh. Oh, I haven't tried this. Let's see. It's like I like the looks of Fedora, but use Catchy OS for gaming. Oh, so it's more focused on gaming. Like, is it just more focused on gaming, or it already has like the graphics drivers built in already? Oh, I think that's KDE. Enhance your performance. Let's compile. Okay. Includes KDE, Gone. That's pretty sweet. Private computer with robots. You know what? Why don't we download it and install it right now? Let's do that. Select your preferred edition. Let's do it, desktop edition. Oh, there's a handheld edition. Oh, that's nice. Java said it works for all, but it's optimized for speed before graphics performance. Oh, that's really useful to know, man. Oh, desktop. Okay, then let's go with desktop direct. I will try this out. How big is it? Download, save at 2 gigs. Okay, that's not big. I'm gonna try and install it now, as I want to see that process. Let's stop this. Yep, overridden. Huh? Reynaldo Sanchez says, I got a problem with my mic when I'm playing an online game and I'm in Discord. Whenever someone in the game uses voice chat, the chat audio goes into Discord, so the people in the Discord hear the voice chat. If not, the Microsoft picking up the voice, because even when I turn my volume down, they can still hear it. That's true. You could first try to reset it, or you could like sometimes it might be, if it's not on the Discord, it could be your game settings. It really depends on what game you're playing, but if it's on Discord, if you mess like a lot of things up, then I would try to first do what Don't Home suggested, as you can reset it to default and try it again. Or if you don't want to do that, like I do have here my Discord, but I can't show it right now because I think I have it on the other. No, I think I can. yeah, because you guys can see here the Discord. So wait, I can't see if you guys can actually see it. Okay, yeah, you can see the little screen. So where I click in here in the user settings, you should be able to see the input and do like a test of your voice, but you can actually change it from voice activity to push to talk. So, but you will need to set like a shortcut for this if that's better for you. That's another alternative you could try. You could try Reynaldo. Or like as Don Home said, you can reset to default. I think would be where is it? It's supposed to be here. Damn it! I think I forgot. Wait, what? Say? Okay, so I downloaded. Perfect. Okay, Diego's suggestion is a single cable. Okay. So he says he's gonna try to reset the settings. Okay, let's see if that works for him. Now let's install this Catchy OS. Sounds more like Catch Me. Oh wait, gotta upload it. Oh, okay, Trouble. Yeah, take your time, man. The stream is gonna be open for a long time. For a few more hours, but yeah, a long time. Yeah. I'm gonna remove this. Upload, select file. Catchy OS, I wanna see this. It's an excellent hypervisor, man. I even made video guides on some few parts on how to set it up. You can check the channel and you can see those videos there. It's an excellent open source hypervisor. And What's this? Yay Sharp. Is Promax the main OS or are you running it on top of another? And Yay Sharp, no, my main OS right now, I am running Ubuntu. So I'm running Promax as a virtual machine here. So right now Promax is running as a virtual machine. That's how I'm running it right now. Trouble says, yeah, I'm getting a mini PC for it again. Oh, definitely, man. Huh. Okay, Reynaldo says, single cable headphone, but I got them plugged into an extension cable with a mic and headphone plug. Yes, so Ubuntu is my main operating system. Like I'll show you here the fetch. So this is the physical system right now. It's Ubuntu, and I am using virtual machine manager, and I have a virtual machine running, which is Promax. So that's how I'm running this off. I'm not running it bare metal on a separate computer. It's all on my main computer. J Sharp says, oh wait, Travis says it's level 1. So on hardware, he connects to Promax. Yeah, exactly. So Ubuntu is the main OS, and you're running Promax within that. Yeah, basically. And on Promax, I'm running virtual machines. So it's basically a virtual machine inside of another virtual machine. Bare metal is good. For those that don't know what bare metal is, it's basically you're running the system on a physical machine, not on a virtual machine. But that's basically what bare metal is, what Trouble says. Bare metal is good because it doesn't have issues. On virtual machine, it supposedly has more issues. On another video, I did on a previous live stream, I was running the free edition of VMware Essence. If you didn't know, they recently made this. They made the free edition free again. They made a video about it, on how to install it and how to use it. But it's a great hypervisor as well. Me personally, I think Promise is a bit more better in terms of interface, more user friendly. vSphere is user friendly as well, but I think it's like a little too friendly and doesn't have the same stuff that you can use on Promax. I paid for VMware 17. Now it's free. Holy crap! You got the workstation. I'm guessing you paid for the Workstation Pro, cause they also made that free as well. And that's unfair. Let me tell you that. That's really unfair. Reynaldo says not it. It is. I gotta get a new cable. It worked fine when I only used the headphones. Thanks for the help, yo. Oh, okay. Hey, man, that's what we're here for. Okay, I'm getting distracted. I wanna install this. Cache OS. Next, I wanna do this. Cache. Yep, Linux. Yep. Let's see if it works right off the bat like this. 2 cores, 8, and just run it. Let's see. Hello Akkad, how's it going, man? Welcome to the stream. What's this? Reynaldo, I'm glad that it was good. This is a good stream idea. I'll definitely subscribe. You have a good one. Thank you, Reynaldo. Thank you for that, man. You have a good one as well, man. I have one more program to ask if you know about. It's called Aome Partition Assistant. I used it. I used Aome. I used the cloning software. I didn't use the which one was the partition assistant. I used the cloning software or there's another one. Oh my god, I cannot remember the name right now. I can't remember the name. Those extensions are usually made for either input or output, not boot. Okay, Aka, you have a hardware problem. Okay, what's the problem? I bought a dual user unlimited key. You bought a dual user unlimited key? Holy crap. Ain't those things expensive? Well, I haven't really checked. I usually just use the free editions. Like, okay, yes, now I remember. Yeah, Aome is one. But yes, Acronis, this is the one that I used to use. Acronis or Macrium Reflex free. I will usually use these ones if I want to make like a backup or a clone, or just clone the drive from one drive to the other. Aka says my battery is working fine, but when I unplug my charger, my PC turns off. Okay, Aka, just what you said, the little description. I think your battery, I think your battery is dead, like literally dead. I'm guessing. Okay, now I'm just guessing. This is a laptop. You have it already. You have it connected already charging. Now tell me, when you look at the charging percentage immediately, do you see it like it's jumping from percentage to percentage, like 1%, 50%, and then when you unplug it, it powers off immediately? That just points out that your battery is dead. But if you want to share a screenshot or a photo of it, we do have a Discord server. You can join the Discord server and send a screenshot so we can have further clarification of it. But exactly what Diego says, the battery is not fine. It's a suggestion, but I think that's what it might be it. Just by what you're just describing, it could be that the battery is dead. Like, okay, if you take off the battery and you plug I'm guessing it's a laptop, and you plug the connector and it turns on, then your computer's fine. But if you put the battery back and you try it on and it doesn't work, the battery is damaged. The other thing that you could check is if the battery is, what's the word? It's not inflated. It could also be like the battery's done. It's dropping by 1% daily. The run command and command prompt to perform. That's true. You can also perform a diagnostic checks. I can share it right now. I think the command for that. Let me see. There's supposed to be a command for that. Let's see, maybe there's a little guide here if you want to check the battery status. Okay, maybe this command might work for you. If it's Windows, power CFG battery report. Let's actually try it on this virtual machine, because I don't remember right now if that one works. Okay, wait, let's try with this one. Cave, hi, I opened up my PC like you said, and the CPU had like a giant crack in it, like almost split in half. Cave, you again? I'm gonna call you the man with the jokes. The man with the computer jokes. This is like the third or fourth time you've been here with those. But I love it. Keep going. I'm gonna make you the scare someone shitless with those issues that you have. But it still works, so I think I'll let it be. Hey, what's the phrase that I hear in computers? If it works, leave it alone. Don't change anything, don't do anything, because what happens? There's no documentation, there's no notes, and you're gonna have to figure it out all by yourself. What the hell did I did before that happened? Okay, so let's see if this one works. Supposedly, open start command run. Type the following command and create a battery report. So let's see if this actually works. Huh? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Yep. Trouble. Oh, okay. Thank you, Trouble. But what was I gonna say? Yeah. I don't think I might have use for it, man. Like, I do appreciate having it, but I would just save it. I could use it maybe in a future occasion, but right now I don't really think I could use it. But I will keep that. Maybe an idea will pop up what I might have in use. Let's see here. Let's try this command. before I continue on. See, can I copy and paste on this? PowerShell. Okay, no, so I'm gonna have to do like this. See, this is supposed to tell us the battery. Let's put this separate here so I can see that. There we go. Okay. Okay, that's too tiny. I can't really see that. Okay, I'll just do it from here then. So it says power CFG / battery report. Huh? Report / output. I mostly use it to recover data or fix drivers that have issues. Figure was there if you do. Oh, okay, but still, man, I do appreciate that. As of right now, right off the bat, I am not 100% sure. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using it, but I will still keep it. But I'm not gonna have it like activated or something like that. Really appreciate the gesture, Trouble. Right now, I don't know what comes to mind. Alpha, you're back. Well, so far everything's running. Battery. See, checking. Someone mentioned that their battery might be dead. You can use this maybe for a report. What did I put wrong? Invalid parameters. I think I put something wrong. Power CFG. Oh no, I haven't gotten to do that. There was some other people were asking for other stuff, so I stopped what I was doing and started doing something else. I will get back into that. Maybe it was like this. Okay, okay, I see what I did wrong. There. Okay, battery life report saved to... Okay, perfect. Now, there we go. So I don't think that this might work for me because this is a virtual machine. But, okay, so I didn't make a report. And, wait, how am I gonna use that? Oh, it's in HTML, I guess. Oh, that's right, I don't have a browser on this. I don't have a browser on this computer. Okay, so it's gonna have to get one again. Where was it? Where was it? Okay. Image burn. Let's make an ISO. I don't think will this work on Linux? Huh? No, not yet. I haven't gotten Win-Get to work. Run WinUtil and grab one through PowerShell. Okay, wait, how do I run, how do I, hold up a second. Wait, give me a second. I'm a little bit confused. What was I doing? I closed something. Okay, you said to use. It has a feature for it. You can grab users programs with it. I'll send command. Okay, wait. If that would be easier, then yeah, I'll try it. When you tell. Okay, let me see that. Define. Oh, Alfie, that's useful. Wait. Wait, let me see. You send the guy. Create it. Okay, I'm gonna try yours first, Trouble, and then I'll try Alfie's to see if that will be easier. Let's see. I wanna try it. Let's see. Yeah, copy and paste won't work here. Wait, don't go from me now. Whoa. Also has a feature to fix Win-Get. Thanks, Diego. I miss you guys as well. Okay, let me try HTTPS. .com/win. IEX.